Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera girls. So let's continue a little bit more about the gametogenesis in the humans. Okay, so let's go to the structure of the sperm and the Graffian follicles. Yeah, structure of the sperm and Graffian follicles. Alright, so this is referred to the structure of the sperm. Okay, there are three main parts of the sperm that consist of head. This is referred to the midpiece, and this is referred to the tail. Right? Okay, so the head contains a nucleus. Yeah, in the head, it contains the nucleus. So the nucleus is very important because it carry genetic materials. Alright, okay, the midpiece is full of mitochondria. Yeah, it's full of mitochondria. Yeah, so mitochondria is very important. Yeah, very important to generate energy. Yeah, generate energy for the sperm to swim. Alright, okay, so that is referred to the parts of the sperm. Yeah, that consists of the head. Yeah, head contains a nucleus that carry genetic material. In the midpiece contain a lot of the mitochondria, yeah, to generate a lot of energy for the sperm to swim. Yeah, tail will help the sperm to swim. Alright, okay. Whereby for the Graffian follicle, so this is referred to the Graffian follicle. Alright, okay, a secondary oocyte, so this is referred to the secondary oocyte, okay, is a large cell that is surrounded by a gel-like substance and follicular cells. Yeah, the secondary oocyte and the follicular cells will form the Graffian follicle. So the whole thing here we call as Graffian follicle. Yeah, the Graffian follicle. So inside the follicles, there is a secondary oocyte. Okay, so the Graffian follicle will release, the secondary oocyte to the fallopian tube during ovulation. Okay, so now we go to the comparison between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, so this is very important concept here. Yeah? The comparison sometimes the this will be come out in the essay question. All right. Okay. When we discuss about the comparison refer to the similarities and difference. Okay, let's go first to the similarities of the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. Okay, again, what is the spermatogenesis? It is the formation of the sperm. Yeah, formation of the sperm, whereby the oogenesis refer to the formation of the secondary oocytes. Yeah, formation of the secondary oocytes. Okay, we go to the similarities. Okay, number one, both are the process of gametogenesis that take place in the reproductive organs. So both process occur in the reproductive organs. Yeah, in the reproductive organs. Okay, produce. Okay, both. Okay, you have to state both here. Yeah, both produce gametes. Yeah, that are haploid. Yeah, both produce gametes that are haploid. Yeah, that are involved in the fertilization. Okay, that is referred to the two similarities between the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, now we go to the differences. Spermatogenesis take place in the testes. Alright, okay, whereby the oogenesis take place in the ovaries. Okay, second difference, spermatogonium. Okay, spermatogonium is produced, from where it is starting from the germinal cells, of the testes, undergo mitosis to form a lot of the spermatogonium, which is also diploid. Okay, so one spermatogonium produce 4 sperms haploid. Here, one spermatogonium, okay, produce 4 sperms, which is haploid after meiosis. Yeah, after meiosis, okay, whereby the oogonium, yeah, oogonium is produced when the germinal cells of the ovaries undergo mitosis. Yeah, so this oogonium, yeah, oogonium only produce one functional secondary oocyte. Yeah, produce one functional secondary oocyte, which is haploid, and 3 non-functional polar bodies. Okay, so in my previous video, we already discussed about the three polar bodies that produce after meiosis complete, yeah, in the oogenesis. So this is referred to the non-functional or non-functioning cells. Yeah, they are called polar bodies. So these polar bodies will degenerate, yeah, slowly and remove during menstruation. Okay, now we go to the third difference. Sperms are smaller, yeah, and made up of pipis, head, and tail. Okay, whereby the secondary oocyte are large and spherical in shape. Yeah, okay. For secondary oocyte are large and spherical in shape. Okay, then we go to the fourth difference. After meiosis 1, 2 secondary spermatocytes are produced, whereby in the oogenesis, after meiosis 1, one secondary oocyte only is produced and another one is one polar body, yeah, is produced. Yes, so after meiosis 1 in spermatogenesis, 2 secondary spermatocytes are produced, whereby in the oogenesis after meiosis 1, only one secondary oocyte is produced and another one is one polar body. Okay, then we go to the next difference. Meiosis is completed. Yeah, in the spermatogenesis, meiosis is completed. Okay, whereby in the oogenesis, meiosis 2 is only completed when a sperm fertilizes the secondary oocyte. Okay, meiosis 2 is only completed when a sperm penetrates into the secondary oocyte. So if there is no sperm, so the meiosis 2 is not completed, and then what happened to the secondary oocyte? Secondary oocyte will die and degenerate and remove during menstruation. Alright, okay, next we go to the next difference. Spermatids undergo differentiation after sperms. Yeah, spermatids undergo differentiation to become sperms. Yes, spermatids undergo differentiation. So what is a differentiation? It is a process, it is referred to the cell specialization to become more specific in function. Right? So spermatids undergo differentiation to become the sperms. Okay, whereby the secondary oocyte does not go any differentiation. Yeah, secondary oocyte does not undergo differentiation. Okay, next, the spermatogenesis, the production of sperm is continuous from puberty until old age. Yeah, okay, the spermatogenesis is continuous, from puberty until old age, in male, right? Whereby in the oogenesis, the production of secondary oocyte is not continuous. It's not the continuity process. It starts in the female fetus and remains dormant when the baby is born. Okay, then the process continues once the female reaches the puberty and stops during menopause. Okay, stops during menopause. Okay, next, millions of sperms are formed every day. Yeah, every day there are millions of sperms are formed. Okay, but in the oogenesis, only one secondary oocyte is released from the ovaries at every menstrual cycle. Yeah, every menstrual cycles. All right. Okay, so menstrual cycle we are going to discuss in the next subtopic. Okay, so that is referred to the comparison between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So please at least you remember 3 or 4 differences between the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, similarities, please at least remember 2. Yeah, okay, there are already 2, so please know the similarities and the differences between the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay, that's all for now, girls. Okay, we will continue in the next subtopic. All right. Okay, so take care, everyone.